The Wolf's Resilient Spirit, a Motivational Tale. In the wilderness, where every step can mean survival or surrender, the wolf stands as a symbol of resilience, determination, and the unwavering pursuit of its dreams. This is the story of the wolf's indomitable spirit. With every piercing gaze, the wolf reminds us to fix our sights on our goals and to relentlessly pursue them, regardless of the challenges that lie in our path. Just as the pack works in perfect harmony to secure their sustenance, we too can achieve greatness through collaboration and unity, recognizing that together, we are stronger. But even in solitude, the lone wolf symbolizes the power of self-reliance, demonstrating that courage sometimes means forging ahead into the unknown on our own. The tender care the wolf provides its young underscores the significance of nurturing the next generation, instilling in them the wisdom and strength to face life's challenges. The wolf's haunting howl resonates through the wilderness, reminding us that our voices possess the power to inspire, connect, and effect profound change. Like the wolf's adaptability to shifting landscapes, we too must embrace life's transitions with grace, knowing that change is an integral part of our journey. As you traverse your own wilderness, remember the wolf's tale. Embrace the resilience that lies within you. Nurture your bonds with those who stand by you, and let your voice echo through the wild. For you too possess the spirit of the wolf. Thanks for watching.